I think everyone is doing good and safe at home. In previous classes, we discussed about probability, introduction, problems, and let us see one more problem related with probability. That is a dice problem. Before class, we discussed about marbles, that is ball problems and card problems. Let us discuss dice problems. So two students are playing dice at a time, and they are reading the readings are written as follows. Okay, here two dice are rolled. So if you roll a dice once, then you are going to get the total number of outcomes are nothing but 6. If two dice are rolled, then the probability, that is the total number of outcomes you are going to get, is depends upon the formula 6 power n. If 3 dice are rolled, then the total number of outcomes is given by the formula, that is the 6 power 3. So here how many dice are rolled here means 2 dice are rolled. Since the probability, the total number of outcomes depends upon the formula 6 power n, that is the total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes is nothing but 6 power n, that is formula for dice problem 6 power n, that is 6 power 2, 2 dice are rolled, then you are going to get 6 power 2 is nothing but 6 6 are 36. So you are going to have 36 number of outcomes, and you can see on the board what are the outcomes you can going to get if your 2 dice are rolled once. So you may get two students may get the same number, or 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. These are the possible chances with 1 on the first dice and the numbers on the second dice, and like that you can see here different type of outcomes related with the 2 dice. So if you count all that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 columns and 6 rows, 6 6 are 36 number of outcomes. That is the total number of outcomes is 36. And let us come for question number 1, that is probability of getting same number on the 2 dice. That is number of favorable outcomes of getting same number. So on 2 dice you have to get same number. Suppose first dice 1, second die also 1. Like that same number, how many outcomes are there? Let us see here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So totally you have 6 outcomes of getting same number on the 2 dice. Therefore its probability is given by, that is probability of getting same number is given by, that is you have the formula total, that is the number of favorable outcomes of getting an event divided by total number of outcomes. So the number of favorable outcomes is nothing but 6 and total number of outcomes is nothing but 36. Cancellation possible, 6 1 6 6. That's nothing but 1 by 6 is the probability of getting same number. And let us see what is the second question. Sum less than or equal to 12. Number of favorable outcomes of getting sum less than or equal to 12. So sum less than or equal to 12. That means if you add the two numbers on the 2 dice, then the sum should be less than 12, or it may be equal to 12 also. Let us come here. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 5. Sum 6. Sum 7. 1 plus 6, 7. Like that, if you count all that sums, and the maximum number in this column is 6, 6. That is the maximum number on the 2 dices. That is 6, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. That means in all the cases you are going to get sum of the numbers on 2 dice is nothing but less than 12. So here you are going to get 6 plus 6, 12. That's nothing but equal to 12. So total number of outcomes, that is number of favorable outcomes of getting sum less than or equal to 12 is nothing but 36. That is all that numbers, all the cases which are present in the table gives the sum less than or equal to 12. That is the probability of getting sum less than or equal to 12 is number of favorable outcomes is nothing but 36 and the total number of outcomes is nothing but 36. Cancellation possible, 36 ones. So your answer will be 1. And what is your next question? Probability of getting sum greater than 12. So number of favorable outcomes of getting sum greater than 12. So if you see the column again, here the column consists all the cases in that sum is less than 12, or in one case you are going to get sum 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. That means here sum is equal to 12. Sum of the two numbers on the dice is equal to 12 or it is less than 12. So in all the columns you can't see any case in which sum of the two numbers on the dice is greater than 12. Since the maximum sum is 12, so here we are not going to get any sum of the numbers greater than 12 in the case. That is an impossible event. Here this event is not possible to occur. So this is an impossible event. That is the number of favorable outcomes of getting sum greater than 12 is 0, and hence its probability is nothing but 0. Number of favorable outcomes is 0 and total number of outcomes is 36, and this is nothing but an impossible event. And like this possible events, so you can see here this is a 1, that is sure event, and this is 0, probability is 0. This is a impossible event. Like this, a lot of number of problems are present in your textbook. You should go through that problems. Thank you.